Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Tim Stenevec along with Molly Smith. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg's Natalia Konijevic. Natalia, what is on your radar today?
Yeah, so let's talk about stocks. I'm looking first of all at Dell. The ticker is DELL. I'm looking at post-market share moves, of course. Stock is down by 4.3%. The company booked fewer sales of artificial intelligence servers, and of course, profit margins also fell short of expectations. Meanwhile, the company also boosted its annual outlook. It was interesting to look at revenue breakdown. So on the one hand, we see that infrastructure group and revenue from that group rose by 44%, but sales that include corporate and consumer personal computers increased just 1%. And it's interesting to compare that HP reported a little bit better results on PC sales.
I'm definitely not following Petco, ticker WOOF. WOOF. Tell us what's going on with Petco today.
Yeah, so shares, again, I'm looking at post-market stock moves are up by 20%. So it looks like, yes, people are not buying personal computers, but they are buying stuff for their pets. So we see that forecast for adjusted EBITDA is about between 92 and 94 million. It's way above expectations. And second quarter results also beat in terms of net sales, net income. We also know that during the previous quarter results, the company announced plans that it's going to close some of the unprofitable stores, and it also helps to boost its margins. So definitely really strong earnings results.
Okay, finally, Best Buy. What's going on?
Yeah, so with Best Buy, the ticker is BBY. Here I'm looking at the prices at the close. The stock finished the day down 3.7%, and it was pretty steep decline during the day. We see that consumer electronics retailer reported second quarter results a little bit worse than expected. It also kept its 2026 forecast unchanged. Of course, the company said that on the one hand, they see some kind of strong momentum, but there is still a lot of uncertainty, of course, driven by tariffs, and they see continued gross profit pressures in the back half of this year. And of course, they also see that consumers are getting much more cautious, and they are not buying as many big ticket items as they used to do maybe before this tariff turmoil.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.